Hi, now I will show you the tutorial question 4.1 area under the curve for question 5. Okay, for question 5, they said calculate the total area bounded by the curve y equal to x squared plus 1 and y equal to x plus 3. So from here, in order for us to find the total area, by right we have to draw first, we have to sketch so that you can see where is the shaded part or where is the shaded area that you can find the total area. Okay, so right now we have y equal to x squared plus 1 and another one is line y equal to x plus 1 plus 3. Okay, now for the first one we have y equal to x squared plus 1. This is a quadratic, right? But then we don't know whether it is this quadratic. How to know it is quadratic? It is x squared, so by right it is quadratic, but we don't know whether it is small or set graph, right? So you have to check the coefficient of x squared here. It is 1, so by right small graph long. Okay, so this is your small graph. Okay, so now we want to know how many roots do we have by right, how many solution. Is it 1, 2 solution, or is it no solution? So how to know? We can use b squared minus 4ac. So our using this equation, our b is 0. Okay, and then you minus with 4, multiply with a, which is 1, c is equal to 1. So here you're going to get -4. By right, this is less than 0. You have two different so since it is less than 0, by right you have no solution. So in the graph, when they say no solution, your graph, even though it is small, so it will be like this. Okay, this is your x-axis lah. Okay, x-axis, y, like this. And then if you check here, we have plus 1. This plus 1 is actually y-intercept. Why? Because in order for you to find the y-intercept, you let x is equal to 0. So then your y become 0 square plus with 1. So your y is equal to 1. So your y-intercept right now is equal to 1. So by right here, it is intercept at y equal to 1, like this. Okay, so this is your graph for x squared plus 1. Now we have y equal to x plus 3, and then we know here x plus 3, the power of x is 1. By right, you have linear graph, either straight like this or either like this lah. Okay, so it's a straight line. So how to draw this? Easy. For linear equation, in order for you to draw it, you have to find 2 points, which is you can just find x-intercept and y-intercept. So let x is equal to 0, then your y is equal to 0 plus 3. So y is equal to 3. By right, from here you have one coordinate, which is 0, 3. And then the next one, you find you find x-intercept, you let y equal to 0. So you will get 0 equal to x plus 3. And then in order for you to find x, you move 3 to that side, -3 lor, your x. So from here, you get one coordinate, which is -3, 0. And you can draw. Okay, so now we will draw our graph. Okay. So this is your graph, huh? X, y. So here we have 0, 3, and then we have -3, 0. 0, 3, maybe around here. Okay, I put this as 3, so 0, 3 should be around here. Another one is -3, 0. -3, 0, I put maybe around here, -3, 0. Oh, sorry. -3, 0. So when you have these 2 points, so in order for you to draw the linear line, so by right you just connect these two. You take a ruler, connect these two together like this. Sorry. Like that. Okay, so remove this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, so okay lah, just maintain. Okay, so this is your line y equal to x plus 3. Another one we have to draw, which is we already got here, which is x squared plus 1. Okay, so your y-intercept is 1. It should be maybe, I just put around here. So when you draw, okay, this is 1. So when you have your graph, you draw like this, no? Like that, okay? Sorry. You draw this. Okay, this one, you draw properly, bring down a bit. Like that. Okay, so from here, we know that this is y equal to x squared plus 1. Okay, now we have to find the shaded part between these two, where if you see our shaded part is actually this one, because it's bounded by these two graphs. Okay, like this. Now it is bounded starting from where? Starting from starting from this point, which is point A, until point B. But do we know A and B right now? No, we don't know. So how to find A and B? Find A and B, you have to use point of intersection. Find point of intersection, which is, here you have y equal to x squared plus 1 and y is equal to x plus 3, right? Both of them are y. Then you make it equal, each of them. X squared plus 1 equal to x squared plus 3, because both are y. You just make it equal to themselves. Okay, any other question also, when you want to find point of intersection, both you have y, right? Then you put equal with each other. Then you find the value of x. So x squared here, you bring x to the left side, you're going to get x squared, x, negative x, and then plus 1 you maintain. And then you have also plus 3 at the right side, and you bring to the left side, negative 3 equal to 0. And then here you're going to get x squared minus x minus with 2 equal to 0. From this, you factorize, then you're going to get x minus 2, x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so you separate x minus 2 equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0. So your x here is 2, another one is x negative 1. So you got x is equal to negative 1 and 2. So by right, logically, since we have two values, a is negative 1 because it is at the negative region, and then 2, b is equal to 2. Okay, now we can solve our question where they ask us to find the total area bounded. So to find the total area bounded, okay, what you have to do is remember upper minus lower. Okay, dx, then integrate starting from a to b. So where is our upper right now? From the shaded part, we see that the straight line is our upper, right? Y equal x plus 3 is our upper. And then obviously, lower is our quadratic. Okay, this is our lower. Okay, now what you have to do is just substitute inside, which is you're going to have upper is x plus 3 minus with lower, which is x squared plus 1 dx. And then from here, you will integrate a is negative 1 until 2. Now you can solve your question. Okay, you integrate x plus 3 minus with x squared minus with 1. Okay, after we expand. Okay, and then here negative 1, 2. Now, to make it easier, you solve it properly. X plus 3 minus 1, you're going to get plus 2 minus with x squared dx. So from here, you can integrate 1 by 1. So x is power 1, right? When we want to integrate, plus 1 divide with 2. Then plus with 2, when we integrate, we just add 2. We add x at the back, so become 2x. Now, negative x squared. So you put negative x squared, power is 2, right? We plus 1, then we divide with 3. Then we done integrate. We're going to integrate starting from negative 1 to 2. So here we simplify properly. Then you're going to get x squared divide with 2 plus with 2x minus with x to the power of 3 divide with 3. Then integrate from negative 1 to 2. Okay, and then here you substitute the upper limit, which is 2. So you substitute inside each of these x, 2 to the power of 2 divide with 2 plus with 2 multiply with 2 minus with 2 to the power of 3 divide with 3, and minus with, you substitute the lower limit, which is -1. So you substitute, you're going to get -1 square divide with 2 plus with 2 multiply with -1, okay, minus with -1 to the power of 3 divide with 3. Then you can solve each of this. Okay, so let me calculate this one first, where here you're gonna get 10/3 at this part. Okay, then you have to minus. Okay, here you have to minus. Okay, and then minus with -7/6, which is the value for this guy lah. Okay, and then here you're gonna get equal to, you calculate, it will get equal to 9/2 units square, like this. Or you also can change it to 41/2 units square. Okay, so both are acceptable lah. This is the solution, the working for this one. Okay, that's it for question 5. Thank you.